Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Access 57 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. So to get access to the mirror effect we have to change it to the front one. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner at the bottom. So hi again, from here let's go to this button. By tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage, and now let's pick the settings from the left. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Here at the third position we have the mirrored selfie option, so by using this button we can easily turn this off and turn it on as we need. So this is how it works. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.